When it comes to recording your expenses, QuickBooks can handle a lot of your transactions, but there are still some things that need to be manually entered by you. Anytime you spend money with a credit card, debit card, EFT, ACH, wire transfer, or bank charges, and in fact, anything that's not a check, you can download directly from your bank and credit cards into QuickBooks Online by using the online banking feature. These transactions are downloaded directly from your bank and your credit card, and then they go into the banking center where you can then categorize them. The great thing about this process is that as you enter the transactions from your vendors and you categorize them, QuickBooks learns how it is that you spend your money with your vendors so that later on, whenever you download more transactions from those same vendors, QuickBooks will automatically know how to categorize them. So it actually remembers how it is that you spend your money. There are, however, some occasions in which you'll still need to enter transactions manually. First, you'll need to enter a transaction manually if you paid somebody with a handwritten or printed check. Then later, when the check actually gets cashed and you download the check from your bank, you'll be able to match the downloaded transaction with the transaction that you entered manually. Another instance in which you need to enter a transaction manually is with bills. If a vendor sends you a bill telling you how much money you owe and when you owe it, you do have to enter that into QuickBooks to record the fact that you owe that vendor some money. Through these two methods, you can use QuickBooks to record all of your spending.